Hi, my name is Fateh and I want to tell you about Social Plus. Social Plus companies are the one that builds in-app community engagement as a core strategy of their product. In 2018, Newsfeed reported on the rising trends of the social business models in China. It gave examples from social commerce apps like Pinduoduo and Xiaohongshu, which encourages users to come together for group buying and content creation. Now there are several successful Social Plus companies in China. In Southeast Asia, apps have started to bring news feeds to engage buyers and sellers. And it's not limited to e-commerce. Companies across all industries globally are looking to add social features. Darcy from Anderson Horowitz says, the best version of every consumer product is the one that's intrinsically social. And some have started to notice that we are at the beginning of a major consumer trend. But there are challenges building Social Plus apps. 95% of the product owners we spoke to cannot build scalable social features in-house. There are no skills, long time to market, high cost. It's a painful journey to create in-app social experiences. Currently, they lose out on the rich user data and insights as the community engages outside of their platform like Discord, Slack, and WhatsApp. This creates a terrible user experience. These were all the pain points we experienced firsthand in our previous startup building global collaboration platform. It took us 18 months to go from 0 to 1 and a lot of money. There's an API for everything. We only wish there was an API we could actually integrate for social features instead of building them. But there was none. Hence, Kitcod was born. Let me introduce you to Kitcod. Kitcod is a social API infrastructure and data intelligence platform. We make high-quality social features integration easy with fully customizable UI kits and APIs for different industries and use cases, so developers can focus on building their core. Yes, we help developers to easily add pre-built social features with a few lines of code that are easy to integrate, fully modular and scalable, such as news feeds to share content, audio podcasts, and interactive polls to get user insights. You can also create in-app groups and view real-time analytics. Additionally, we have some trending features for phase 2 with group buying experiences, in-app chats, and live streaming commerce, which is a powerful for creators economy, turning any app into a social plus apps in days, increasing engagement and revenue. Now, our Kitcod intelligence mashes up user data and product data to personalize feeds, provide offer targeting, and show it on the real-time dashboards. There is no solution out there in the market which meets these customers' expectations. Everything I've shared has been built in a very short span of time. We are very fast, we are lean, and we are resourceful. We have built it ground up. This gives us complete control over the product to scale as we progress. So far, we have been in talks with some of the largest consumer apps across Asia like Foodpanda, Paytm, and more. They all are looking to add social features onto their platform. And most of them are willing to get started with us. Currently, we are integrating with our first 2 pilot customers, 15 in the pipeline, 30 on the wait list, and a strategic partner with 300 million users into the network. So, traditional communication APIs are a proven business model in the US with heavy funding over the last few years. Almost none is focused on social and community yet. And the opportunity is really huge. And we have a big growing market where we are projecting to generate almost 600 million annual recurring revenue in 5 years, with a wide range of verticals to grow and expand into. We also have increased customer demand to build Web3 communities, and we got the complementing in-house expertise for it. With a freemium SaaS business model, we charge based on monthly active users. We are seeking investment to expand our product and engineering team, grow the sales, and expand our customer resources. We can do it together. Our team has a strong background in building tech platform, a proven track record, and a vision to succeed. If you would like to learn more about Kitcod and participate in our seed round, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you.